Before to answer that, I would like to ask you, please, which is the reporter from Indian Super League website? The website, who is doing? Okay, okay. Because I see that Indian Super League, I think that they work very well. They have a very good website and very good way to talk about the league. But it's true that they don't allow or they never are getting the news about referees. When we say that we are exhausted of bad refereeing, they just talk about another kind of things and never talk about referees. So I expect that you belong to another media, can talk with freedom about referees and can express what I'm going to express now. Because for me it's important to have freedom of expression. There is nothing to hide. So I think that Indian Super League, it's working hard, 10 years of football in India, and I think that the football in India is improving. We can see the kind of players. I was working in 2016 with players that they were in the national team, and you can see their body, typology, you can see the technique, the tactic. They were worse players than the ones that are now in the national team. So it's only one example about how the football has been improving in the last decade. Indian Super League is very good for Indian football. But at the same time, it's improving in a lot of areas, but not in refereeing. Refereeing is a big issue. For me, honestly, this season has been over any other situation. There is like a line, and we have crossed the line. Because when the decisions are affecting the result of a game, then we are in a big problem. And it has been happening for us in the last 5 games, 3 times. What I mean with that, I mean that when you arrive to the last moments of a match, one decision can change definitely the result of the match. And it has been happening to us that in the game against Olisha, here at home, 0-0, there was 2 penalties, not 1, 2, in the extra time, and the referee didn't concede it, so we lost 2 points. Here also against Mohun Bagan, in the 87th minute, there was a very clear fault to Nanda in our own box. Referee is a player, and it finished in a goal, so again we lost 2 points. And the last match, there was action that is never fair. We have 4 players against 1 opponent player, protecting our situation. We have that space of the pitch, so it's nothing going to happen, and that fall is never a fall, so it means that we lost 1 point. It means 5 points only in the last 5 rounds, so it means that with these 5 points we will be in the playoff. So answering your question, you can see that 5 players were running in a counter-attack to protect our goal. So it's not about physicality. The players were giving everything for the team. The players were trying to score our second goal. We have a corner, we have a chance, and then they make a sprint, 60 meters sprint, to try to protect our goalkeeper. So they give everything, 95 minutes. Once Jamshedpur draw with 1-1, we try to change some tactics. We play with 3 defenders to try to not concede, and we put 5-2 in the pitch, trying to arrive. It's true that in these 50 minutes, from the 80 to the 95, Jamshedpur didn't have a chance. The only chance that they have was created by the referee, marking a foul in a situation that we all know that is going to be almost like a penalty, because we all know that they have Jerry Marsol scoring 2 goals the round before, so it's like a present. So what I mean is that it's not about our players' physicality, it's about decisions that are going to change the result of a game. And unfortunately, it's happening a lot in Indian football. So I think that authorities have to take decisions, but they have to take the right decisions for the good of the game, not for the protection of the referees. When a player is not making a good season, the team decides to give him on loan, or to sell him, or to give the freedom to the player. When a coach is not doing a good season, then the club decides to sell him. Already this season it has been happening with Juan Fernando, with Conor Nestor, with Simon Grayson, and with Scott Cooper. Four coaches, they have lost their job. We are 12 teams in this league, but there is one more team, that it's team referees. They are also professionals, they are also participating in the league. I think that they are doing a very bad season. Very, very bad season, very poor season. So I guess that there is a boss. I know that there is a boss. So nobody is answering why is the boss is working. Maybe he should be saying sack, like the coaches are sacked or the players are sacked.